Hey everyone, just another video on my 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. When I got this car, it had been in an accident. It's actually a salvage vehicle, so you're going to notice that the overfill for the coolant, overfill reservoir, and I think the fan hasn't been working very well either because the car overheats once in a while, and it's been doing this ever since we got it, so I'm just going to change it out and see if that fixes it. We bought a new fan, came in that box right there from carparts.com, and we're gonna see if it fits. My plan of attack, we'll see if this actually works, is we're gonna detach this whole guy right here. And there's some screws right here and right here, I think. Undo these hoses, get them out of the way, and then I'm pretty sure it's just 4 simple little screws. One here, one lower, one here on this side, and one lower. And then obviously just the little plug, kind of hard to see, but you can see it on this guy, that little plug. So that's what we're gonna do. Lights went off on me, but I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, video part 2. I got the old fan out. A couple things that I learned. Only one bolt here, one bolt up there somewhere. Let's see, where was it? I think it's broken, actually. The fan's broken, but yeah, 2 bolts. And then something that was making it really hard for me to get out. I didn't understand why. There are some hoses running through the bottom of the fan right here. So I was pulling, couldn't get it out, didn't know what was going on. Eventually I saw the hoses, like crap, so had to undo the hoses. Eventually after I did that, it was a really tight squeeze, but it came out. I did end up taking this piece off, separated it from here. Let's see, where's that guy? So this guy usually goes like right here. Took that piece off, separated it from this hose. This hose winds around and goes over to here, to this guy. Took it completely off. There's usually like some type of air blower thing. Mine, that goes down here, mine's missing the head because it was broken in the accident. So I just took that guy out of here too to give me some more space. It just kind of pushes down into the hole. I don't know if you can see it down there, right? Down there, it's like an oval. But anyways, nonetheless, came out. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the new one in. I'm gonna steal the hose off of here, this little hose, and stick it on the new guy over there. Slide her in, hook it up. Align those hoses back in the bottom like they were so they're not dragging around, and we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, holy smokes, it is in. Gotta put coolant in, but definitely want to use a drip pan on this project. Mine is full of coolant from all that stuff, so definitely get a little drip pan. I got like a rectangular one from AutoZone, works well. One thing I had to do to get the fan in was undo this bolt, so this guy was a little loose, so I could kind of wiggle it in, because it was too tight. The fan is too deep. But anyways, I did that. It's fitting in there okay now. Hooked up all my hoses, put this plastic guy back on up here with the 2 bolts. Hose is back in. Plug is plugged in for the fan right here. Each bolt on each side. I connected those hoses. Whenever all this was undone, I just reached my arm down in here and pushed all the hoses up into those crevices where they're supposed to belong. Kind of like this guy is showing up in these crevices on the bottom. Yeah, so we should be good. I'm just gonna start filling this tank, letting the radiator get more coolant in it, and then turn the car off and do that again until it's ready. Frankly, I'm no expert mechanic, so I'm not sure if these radiators need to be burped or not, but if they do, and please check another video to be sure, you may just remove this and then run the car so that the air can get out. But hey, I'm no expert, double check that. Just what I thought I read online. But I'm gonna go ahead and put coolant in it, put this little guy back into its place. See how it's rectangular, or like kind of oval on the bottom. This guy, he just like slides right down here, and it just sticks in like that. Yeah. Usually there's like this plastic thing that goes over like that, but mine's broke, so. All good. All right, well, I'm gonna put coolant in her and fire it up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We're trying to hit a goal of 1,000 subscribers. Okay. All right, good news, everybody. Fan spinning. The coolant level is going down. It's hard to see because it's so dark, but the fan is spinning, so it's running. So, I'm excited about this little replacement. Please comment below if you have any more questions. And again, like and subscribe. Really appreciate it, guys. Till next time.